In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace your CAD cell eye in your home's heater or furnace. Safety first, and turn off the power to your heater. Remove the cover, and you'll see this black electrical looking box. And yours may be a little different. You want to research your model number of your furnace or heater, and it may be a little bit different process. But on this one, you remove the screws on that little box, and there is your CAD cell eye right there. You want to remove it, and as you can see, this one is dirty and is needing replacement. If you are unsure or intimidated to do this, make sure you get a professional to do it for you. And you want to research your furnace and get the right part number. This is the CAD cell eye for this furnace. So you want to go ahead and put the new one in, just like the old one came out. Make sure it's seated properly and everything looks good. And that's it. You close the cover. Make sure you put the screws back on the way they came out. Make sure everything's nice and tight. Make sure everything looks good. And that's it. Pretty easy. Not that hard to do. You put the cover back on and turn your power back on. And that's it.